Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome back to this week's Aldi Finds for the week of November 19th. We have holiday baking and hosting finds for 2025 and budget-friendly party must-haves. Now let's get started. We're going to start with the apparel, shoes, and accessories. We have the Adventure Ridge Ladies Base Layer 2-pack crew. They only come in black and they're $9.99. We have the Adventure Ridge Men's Base Layer 2-pack crew, and that comes in black or blue for $9.99. And we have the Adventure Ridge Men's Base Layer 2-pack pants. They come in black only, $9.99. And friends, I know my Aldi lovers loves the Aldi gear, and we have the Aldi gear holiday sweaters. You can get the green nutcracker, pink cardigan, or ho ho ho, $14.99. We also have the Avenue leather men's gloves. They come in black or brown, $12.99. And we have the Sarah leather ladies gloves, black or brown, $12.99. We have the children's character long sleeve tulle dress. You can get frozen, mini, princess, or stitch for only $9.99. We also have the Lily and Dan toddler or children's cozy boots. You can get them in brown, pink, or purple for only $9.99. We have the Sarah 2-pack turtleneck. You can get black, white, or burgundy black, $14.99. And we have the Sarah cable sweater dress. It comes in black or gray, $14.99. And we have some holiday earrings here. It's the Sarah holiday jewelry. You can get they only have the one bracelet, but they have a couple different single pack earrings for $4.99. And we also have the Sarah Holiday Jewelry 2-pack earrings, and they're $4.99 as well. We have the Sarah Ladies Warm Line sneaker. They come in beige or black, $14.99. We have the Sarah Tights and hosiery $4.99, and you have four different ones to choose from. And the last item in this section is the Sarah Ultra Plush leggings. You can get black printed with trees. We have the green printed bows, and we have the navy printed snowflakes for only $5.99. Now we're moving right along into the arts and entertainment section. We just have two items here. The first one is the Bond Bluetooth suitcase record player. You can get aqua or black, $39.99. And the other item is the Bendon backpack and book set. You can get Hello Kitty, Paw Patrol, Stitch, or Spidey, $9.99. Now we're heading into the baby, kids, and toys section. First up, we have the Bluey toy ornament. It has 2025 on it, and it's only $4.99. We have the Brandon holiday bath toys. You can choose from Bluey, Frozen, Mickey, or Winnie the Pooh, $9.99. We have the Compound Kings Compound Mix. You can get Crystal Clears, Color Change, Butter Clouds, or Foam Slime, $6.99. Oh, friends, I know a lot of you are going to love this one. It's the Fisher Price Little People Collector. We have the Golden Girls, Harry Potter, or the Wizard of Oz, $24.99. And we have the Igloo Books Christmas Board Book. You can get Good Night, Sleepy Snowman, Little Christmas Tree, Little Reindeer, The Nativity, or The Night Before Christmas, $4.99. We also have the licensed Barbie doll. Friends, I loved Barbie dolls when I was younger. They're $8.99, and you can get the Ballroom Dancer, Blue Fashionista, Cowgirl Fashionista, Glitz, or Purple Fashionista. We also have the licensed Disney princess dolls. There's four different ones to choose from, and the one is a tower surprise, so you have no idea what is in there, $8.99. We have the Moose Toys Bluey 4-pack figurines. You have three different ones to choose from, $12.99. We have the Phoenix International flashlight and book set. You can get Bluey, Paw Patrol, Firefly, Up the Sky, or Spidey, $9.99. And friends, here's another great stocking stuffer here. It's the Pokemon gift set box, $14.99. And we have the Spin Master 7-piece wooden puzzle. It comes in Barbie, Bluey, Paw Patrol, Spidey, or SpongeBob, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Zuru Robo Alive. You can choose from shark, T-Rex, or lizard, $12.99. Now we're heading into the home and decor section, and we do have a lot in this section. First up, we have the Kirkton House Cozy Pillow. There are 2, 4, 7 different designs to choose from, $9.99. We have the Kirkton House Cozy Blanket Throw, and these 4 match those pillows, and they're only $9.99 each. We have the Kirkton House LED candle. You can choose from ivory pillar or ivory taper, $14.99. Friends, I love these. It's the Kirkton House metal candle holder. You can get the gold or black pillar or the gold or black taper. I have the taper ones that I bought a couple years ago, $12.99. We have the Merry Moments 2-pack kitchen towel set. There are bows, gingerbread, joy, or ornaments, $3.99. And we have the Merry Moments 3 foot by 5 foot Christmas washable rug. You can choose from Christmas traditional, Christmas trellis, festive plaid, or snowflakes, only $24.99. We also have the Merry Moments holiday paper tree. There you can get it in green, ivory, red, or sage green, $12.99. I'm not quite sure the size of that, but $12.99 seems like a lot. We have the Merry Moments set of 2 holiday paper trees, same colors, $6.99. We also had the Merry Moments paper glittered ornaments. It comes in bronze, champagne, forest green, or red, $7.99. We have the Merry Moments reindeer candle holder. I really like these. You can get it in black or gold for $14.99. And we have the Kirkton House glass jar with figurine candle. You can get holiday berry cane, falling snowflakes, night bonfire chat, or under the Christmas tree, $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House XXL confetti hurricane candle. It comes in opium noir or almond and macaroon, $19.99. Now we're heading into the home improvement section, and we do just have 2 items here. The first item is the Crofton Buffet Server. You can get the 2-tier or the wooden cake stand, only $14.99 each. And the other item is the Scrub Daddy Winter Sponge. You can choose from the Yellow Star Scrub Daddy, Blue Snowflake Scrub Daddy, Green Tree Scrub Mommy, or the White Reindeer Scrub Mommy. That is a reindeer. I thought it was that Mr. Winter guy, $3.99. And now we're heading into the household items section. First up, we have the Downy beads. You can get it in 3 different scents, and they're only $1.09. That is really inexpensive. My oldest likes these. I might get him one and put it in his stocking for Christmas. And next up, we have the Gain Flings Oxy Febreze Wicked Fantabulous Floral, $9.94. And we have the Gain Beads Wicked Wonderfulest Woods and Beautiful Blossom. Oh my gosh, say that 3 times. 9.94. And we have the Gain Plug Refills. You can get the Wicked Beautiful am I saying that right? It just sounds so weird. Or Wicked Wonderfulest Woods, 9.94. Oh, thank God we're out of that section. We have the Aldi Winter Extra Large Reusable Bag for only $2.49. I want one of those. I love the little hat on there. We have the Boulder Air Fryer Liners, only $3.59. And the last item in this section is the Boulder Pop-Up Parchment Paper, $3.69. Now we're heading into the kitchen supply section, and we do have quite a few items here. First up, it's the Crofton 20-piece glass storage set. You can get it with the blue or red lids, $19.99. We have the Crofton cast iron brazier. It comes in green or cream, $26.99. And we have the Crofton Christmas kitchen accessories. You can get cookie cutters, gingerbread, steam vents. I'm not sure what that is, friends. Let me know if you know what that is. Or the gingerbread mini tongs or the Santa mini tongs, $2.49. We have the Crofton collapsible food storage containers. You can get pizza, rectangle, sandwich, or soup, $4.99. We have the Crofton holiday bacon pan. It comes in 6 different designs, $6.99. We have the Crofton holiday food storage containers. They come in several different designs, shapes, and dividers, and they're only $2.99. That's a really good deal. I believe you get like 4 of them in a package. We have the Crofton Cookie Scoop, $3.99. We have the Crofton Nesting Measuring Cups, $3.99. We have the Crofton Dole Measuring Cup. You can get it in green or red for $3.99. We have the Crofton Mega Bakeware. You can get it in gold or gray, and they have the mini muffin pan, the cookie sheet, or the cake sheet pan, only $9.99 each. We have the Crofton wine glasses. You can get it in black or gold stemless for a set of two, or you can get the black and gold set of two with the stem, or you can get just the two-pack gold martini, only $9.99. We also have the Cottage Door Press hosting book or cards, only $4.99. We have the Merry Moments drying mat. It comes in bows, ornaments, snowflakes, or trees, $2.99. We have the Merry Moments oven mitt pot holder set. Again, bows, ornaments, snowflakes, or trees, $2.99. We have the Merry Moments scrubber dishcloths, same patterns, $2.99. We have the Merry Moments holiday silicone accessories. You can get the green or red rectangle lid, the green or red round lid, green or red trivet, or the snowflake trivet, $3.99. We have the Merry Moments holiday table center runner. You can get it in deer, floral, trees, bows, floral, gingerbread, or Santa, $9.99. Now, friends, I want to point this out to you. This next one is the Merry Moments holiday placemat set. The three on the left, the deer at the top, the trees, and the floral, they are showing a 4-pack. I double checked, and they're like listed differently. It does not say a 6-pack. It does not say 4-pack. It just says placemats, and the pictures are only showing a 4-pack. However, the bows, the floral, the gingerbread, and the Santa ones, the four on the right, they're showing a 6-pack, and it says a 6-pack, and they're $9.99. The reason I think this is like that, and I'm not quite sure why, the runners, if you notice, if you go back a page, the center table runner, those three that are on the left, the runner is very different than the four on the right. So I'm guessing that's why it's different. But I just wanted to bring that to your attention. I do not believe you will get 6 placemats for the three that's on the left, and they're $9.99. However, the Merry Moments holiday napkin set are all 6-piece napkin sets, as you can see here. And we again have the deer, floral, trees, bow, floral, gingerbread, or Santa, and they are $9.99. So now we're going to move right into the outdoor living and garden section, and we just have a couple items here. The first one is a 6-inch poinsettia assorted colors for $89. We have the decorated foliage bag, assorted varieties for $9.99. And the last item in this section is the deluxe fresh flower bouquet. Beautiful colors, very fall-like. Assorted colors, $5.99. Now we're heading into the school, office, and art supply section. We just have one item here, and it's the Merry Moments treat boxes. There are several different ones to choose from, and they're only $1.99 per set. Now we're heading into the travel and automotive section. We just have 2 items here. First up, it's the Squishmallows backpack. We have 4 different ones to choose from, and they're only $16.99. And the other item is the Squishmallows tote. We have 4 different designs as well, $16.99. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. First up, we have the St. Louis pork spare ribs for $2.39 per pound. We have the Kirkwood fresh whole turkey, $1.69 per pound. And we have the Shady Brook Farms turkey drumsticks, $1.99 per pound. That's perfect if you're having Thanksgiving and everybody fights over those drumsticks. You can buy an extra pack. And now we're heading into the dairy and deli section. First up, we have the Appleton Farms pork sausage. You can get hot or Italian, $3.09. We have the Park Street Deli white cheddar mac and cheese for $6.99. And the last item in this section is the specially selected cheesecake. You can get the Zillionaire or cookie butter, $3.99. Now we're heading into the bread and bakery section. First up, we have the Bake Shop vanilla cookie sandwich, only $4.99. And the other item in this section is the Italian holiday cookies, $5.99. Now we're heading into the snacks section, and we just have this one item here. It is the Priano filled puff pastry rolls. You can choose from hazelnut or vanilla for $1.99. Now we're heading into the frozen foods section. First up, we have the Belmont chocolate cream pie, $5.79. We have the Appetitos bread and mushroom bites, and they're only $4.99. We have the Bona 68-ounce Italian beef, $15.99. And we have the specially selected Piadinas, only $2.49, and you can choose from caprese or roasted vegetables. Now we're heading into the very last section, and we just have one item here, and it is the Food Craft Winter Spice gift set, only $9.99. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantities sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi Finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. So, friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week for more great Aldi finds. Bye.